Net. Cool. First one of the day. That one chased it down.
Coast 103.5. Rated home in your car and the office.
Coming this close. And where is it? Oh, nice one. Nice one. Only 17 though. Alright, that'll be a good one. That'll be a good one for the cover.
Other than initial, he didn't fight a whole lot.
Well, it looked to me like it. 17 and a half. Not 17. My mistake. Yeah, it is. Glad that sea lion left.
Now it's the race. Who gets to quit fishing first?
Well, let's see. It's going to depend on how many double hookups we get.
Well, that's what I meant. The race to see who gets.
Yeah, pretty.
It's interesting.